Hi, welcome to Future Technos. Today, we're talking about the future of wearable technology. It's no longer just about smartwatches or fitness trackers. The next big step is sitting right on your face. Xiaomi has entered the game with something that feels like it came straight out of a science fiction movie, but designed for real life. These are the Xiaomi AI glasses, and they are more than just eyewear. They combine fashion, intelligence, and practicality in a way that feels exciting and fresh. At first glance, you could mistake them for a pair of stylish glasses you'd wear every day. They come in modern D-shaped frames that feel trendy and sophisticated. The build is lightweight, only 40 grams, which is barely noticeable once you put them on. That means no heavy feeling on your nose or ears, even after wearing them for hours. Xiaomi knows style matters too, so you can choose from classic black, tortoiseshell brown, or a lively green. These are not tech toys that scream geek. They look like regular eyewear, but underneath, they carry intelligence that transforms how you interact with the world. But good looks are only the surface. The real magic is in what they can do. And this is where things get impressive. Imagine you are living your life, and instead of fumbling for your phone, you can just capture the moment instantly. These glasses have a 12-megapixel camera built right into the frame. With it, you can take high-resolution photos or record 2K video from your exact point of view. This is hands-free vlogging, documenting daily adventures, or capturing spontaneous memories with zero effort. You don't need to dig into your bag or unlock your phone. The shot is always ready because the glasses are already on your face. The battery life also matters, and Xiaomi has made sure you won't be disappointed. These AI glasses offer 8.66 hours of continuous use. That's almost an entire workday of recording, interacting, or simply wearing them without worrying about charging. No more losing battery halfway through the day or stressing about carrying a power bank. The idea is simple. Technology should support you, not slow you down. Now, here comes one of the coolest features. The lenses themselves are electrochromic. That means they can change tint with just a simple gesture. Swipe 2 fingers along the temple, and in 0.2 seconds the lenses adapt. Outside in bright sunlight, they turn into sunglasses instantly. Step inside a cafe, they return to clear. No switching glasses, no squinting in the sun, no clumsy transitions. It feels natural, smooth, and futuristic. Honestly, it makes you wonder why this hasn't been standard all along. It's one of those features you didn't know you needed until you try it, and then you can't imagine going back. But the hardware is only half the story. What makes these glasses really stand out is the AI brain inside, powered by Xiaomi, Xiaomi's intelligent assistant. Think of it as having a personal helper with you wherever you go, whispering information in real time. And it's not just limited to simple voice commands. The glasses integrate intelligence into daily life in practical, useful ways. For example, imagine traveling to a new country where you don't speak the language. With these glasses, you can look at text on a sign or a menu, and the glasses will translate it instantly in real time. No need to pull out your phone, open a translation app, or struggle with communication. The world just becomes easier to understand. That's the kind of convenience that takes away stress and opens doors to new experiences. And it doesn't stop there. You can also point your gaze at objects and get instant recognition. Curious about a plant you see on a hike? The glasses can tell you what it is. Not sure about the calories in your meal? The glasses can identify it and give you details. It's like having an encyclopedia and a health guide built right into your vision. Information becomes accessible without breaking your flow. Payments are also built in. In today's world, QR codes are everywhere, especially in places like Asia. With Xiaomi AI glasses, you just glance at the code, confirm with your voice, and the payment is done. No need for a wallet, no need to pull out your phone. It's seamless, fast, and secure. If you already use Xiaomi's ecosystem, these glasses take it to another level. Controlling your smart home becomes effortless. Want to turn on the lights? Adjust the air conditioner or lock the doors? Just say it, and the glasses will connect to your smart devices instantly. It's hands-free living, where your home obeys simple voice commands while you go about your day. The audio experience is another area where Xiaomi has gone all out. Dual speakers, a 5-microphone array, bone conduction technology, and wind noise reduction all come together for crystal clear sound. Whether you're making calls, listening to music, or using AI assistants, you won't have to fight with outside noise. Even in crowded streets or windy conditions, your voice comes through clearly. and you can hear what matters. This is an area where many smart wearables struggle, but Xiaomi seems to have nailed it. Compared to competitors, Xiaomi is setting a new standard. Some companies focus only on cameras, making their smart glasses more about recording than real-life utility. Others give you audio but leave out real intelligence. Xiaomi combines all of it: camera, AI, electrochromic lenses, payments, translations, smart control, and strong battery life into one stylish package. It's not just about showing off on social media. It's about making everyday life smoother, easier, and smarter.